Next, we go to question number 3. 125% of 450. Wow, this looks difficult. There is a way around it. We switch and move 450 first. So we key in the numbers 450. Now, of represents times. So we press times. And then we key in the percentage. The numbers are 1, 2, 5. And then we press shift percentage. And the percentage will appear. When we press equal, we get the answer in a fraction. 1125 over 2. Now this is a fraction. We need to change it to a decimal. We need to convert. So we press the conversion, which is S to D. And we get the answer as 562.5. So this requires a few more steps, but you find that you can calculate so much faster.